I made these Halloween signs out of cardboard and I just painted it white. But now I just need to add a stake to it to stick it into the ground. So I found these plastic stakes. They're 6 feet long. So maybe if I can attach that to the back of the sign and use that to keep the sign in the ground. I have a roll of thin steel wire, so maybe I can poke that through the cardboard and twist it around the green stake. Just use this to punch a hole in the cardboard to make it easier to feed the wire through. Looks like it's sturdy enough. I just have to do the other side. So now I have the sign attached to those stakes. Now I just have to find a place to put it in the yard, right in front of the house. So I couldn't think of any other way to put it on the window other than tape. So I just used some packaging tape, taped it along the window, tried to make it bug proof. So since I used clear tape, I had to use some painter's tape to block the gaps so they couldn't see me when I'm handing out the candy. So I got this other idea to hang some Halloween lights or Christmas lights along the sign.
Dale. And then I just said to oh, thank you. You're welcome. Yeah, God is hydrated. Got it? Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, okay. Girl, get the freaking candy. Trick or treat. Trick or treat. It's two. It's only two. Okay. Thank you. There you go. Thank you. Halloween. Have a great day. Have a great Halloween. I told you. Hi, trick or treat. Have a good day. Hi, trick or treat. Thank you. I thought that was oh no, that is actually kind of scary and ingenious at the same time. Hello, thank you. Oh, thank you. Tree. Oh my god, that's so cool. Go get it. Go get the candy, man. There you go, man. See, man. That's scary. That's cool. Put, put your, let me take right here. See all those eyes. You see all those eyes? Say thank you, trick or treat. Thank you.
So that was all the kids we got this year. It wasn't that many. Maybe it had something to do with the pandemic. But we'll use this next year. Maybe I can get a better angle as well.